Virtually every American is in toxic overload. Here's the problem. We are inundated in a sea of toxins, and these toxins are accumulating in our bodies because we're simply putting too many toxins in, more than we're able to get rid of. So toxins are accumulating in our bodies, and they're damaging critical internal body systems. So unless you have an active antitoxin program, you're going to be bioaccumulating these very dangerous toxins. Over the last half century, more than 100,000 man-made chemicals have been introduced into the environment, and studies show that hundreds of these chemicals are now bioaccumulating in our cells and tissues up to levels that we know cause disease in animals. So here's one of your little cells, and you're putting all this gook into the cell every single day. Well, here's the question. How much gook can you put in here before it collapses and stops working the way it's supposed to work? So we need to do something to cope with this toxic assault that is in every day, in the water, the air, the food, everywhere, our clothing, our furniture. Our bodies are simply unable to cope. And the result is, here's this toxic overload. It's sabotaging our delicate cell machinery, leading to diseases of every nature, including cancer and birth defects, and a whole gamut of modern disease syndromes that simply bewilder our physicians. Symptoms can include less endurance, a lack of energy, impaired immune function, and less resilience in dealing with the everyday stresses and challenges of life. It is extremely important that we support our body's chemical detoxification pathways. And unless we do so, toxins will continue to accumulate and shut down critical biological pathways and result in chronic diseases and even death. There is nothing on the market that is more effective than Beyond Health's Cell Detox Formula. This extraordinary and uniquely powerful supplement helps the body to detoxify cells and tissues. It helps to neutralize excess cellular acid. It protects against viruses and other infectious agents. And it also helps to reduce the heavy metal burden that we have from the lead, the mercury, the antimony, the chromium, the cadmium, and the arsenic that we're all exposed to today in our daily lives. Cell Detox Formula should be a basic part of anyone's supplement program.